First one is chemical synapse and what is electrical synapse. What is the difference in between the chemical and electrical synapse? Very important. First one is chemical synapse. Difference in between of the chemical synapse and what is that electrical synapse. Chemical synapse and electrical synapse. First one is chemical synapse. That we know that all the characters of these two synapse. First one is the impulse are transformed through the chemical, that is called chemical synapse. The impulse are transformed through the ions are called as electrical synapse. That means different type of charges are there. These are have a different type of voltages and different type of charges. But there is no charges and no voltages. Only chemical is present. What is that? The chemical synapse nothing but the impulse are transformed. Very important. Impulse are transformed forms through the impulse are transformed through the chemicals. So that is called as a chemical synapse. It is a very important characteristic feature. Listen carefully. The electrical synapse is nothing but the impulse are transformed through the ions are nothing but the charges or voltages. The impulse are transformed through the impulse are transformed through the ions or charges. So the chemicals, which type of chemicals are there? Which type of chemicals are? First one, the chemicals, first one acetylcholine. We are discussing difference in between of the chemical and electrical synapse. Acetylcholine. Second one is epinephrine, epi and norepinephrine. Epinephrine. So what is that? Examples of the ions. There are two different type of ions are there. We know that is called sodium and potassium ions. How many? Sodium and potassium. So that there have a different type of charges, plus and minus, different type of charges or different type of ions. So that is called as electrical synapse. So this chemical and electrical synapse, in difference between the chemical and electrical synapse. The chemical synapse, the two nerves are arranging they maintain the very large gap in between of the two nerves. In the electrical synapse, there is a gap very less in between of the two synapse. In the chemical synapse, let's see that the synapse, one of the neuron. This is known as the synapse. In chemical, second one is what is the presynaptic nerve? Presynaptic nerve. And next one, postsynaptic nerve. There is no gap in between. There is a very less gap in between of the two nerves, pre and post. That is called as a electrical synapse. So these have a very less gap in between of the two nerves. These are containing a very large gap in between of the two nerves. So there is a large gap, or wide and large gap in between of two synapse. Which synapse? Pre and post synapse. Two synapse. Which one? Pre and post. There is a very less gap in between of two pre and post synapse. So how much gap is there in between of the pre and post synapse? How much gap is required? The presynaptic region, the chemical substance is consistent of 20. The gap is 20 nanometers. Is a gap. There is a very less gap, approximately 1 to 2 nanometers. The gap is present in between these two. So these chemical substances take more time for the exchanging of the information, but these are exchanging information very rapidly. The slow exchange, what is the transporting of the information very slow and very quickly. What is that? Very impulse transmission very slow. Compare with the electrical impulse, very slow. Compare with the electrical impulse, is slowly. And this one, rapid impulse transmission. Rapid impulse transmission. Very important character. These containing more number of the mitochondria. These are containing very less amount of the mitochondria. The neuron containing chemical substances, chemical synapse containing more mitochondria, containing less mitochondria. The complete detailed information, so listen carefully. Mitochondria are present. What is that? Okay. Next one. So the impulse are inhibited. The impulse, what is that? What is the continuous impulse are inhibited? The continuous impulse are inhibited by the inhibitory. What is that? Inhibitory chemicals are there, but there is no inhibitory characters. There is inhibitory impulse. The impulse are inhibited by. Impulse are inhibited by chemicals. So there is no chemicals for the inhibition. There is no chemicals for inhibition. There is no chemicals for the inhibition. There is no chemicals. There is no charges for the inhibition of the impulse. So what is that? This is the information about the different in between of the chemical and electrical substances. What are the first one? Electrical substances are the impulse are transformed through the chemical is known as a chemical impulse. The impulse are transformed through the ions or different type of charges are called as a electrical impulse. So these are known as acetylcholine, epinephrine and norepinephrine. They are containing two different type of charges and sodium and potassium. We know that outside of the positive charges and inside of the negative charges present. So the large gap in between of the two synapses, pre and post synapse is present. There is very less gap is present. The gap is approximately 10 to 20. Very important. Approximately 10 to 20 nanometers. The gap is present. Approximately 1 to 2 nanometer gap is present. The impulse of transmission is very slowly. The rapid impulse of transmission. The impulse transmission is very slowly. The transmission is very rapidly. The chemicals are, what is the chemical synapse containing more number of the mitochondria? They are containing very less amount of the mitochondria. The impulse are inhibited by the chemical. The impulse are never inhibited by the chemicals, and as well as there is no inhibitory ions.